So we've arrived at our new job. We're just unloading our gear. Kieran's putting the mask on. Sorting it out.
Hello subscribers.
Yep, so arrived at our job site. Unloading our gear. Nice little street. Got all the stuff out the trailer. Quite a lot of gear. Can be quite a bit of a gear for your Verti-mowing job. All our bags here on the ground. But maybe need quite a few. Depends on how much grass that you have. All the mowers are all lined up in the front here. And this is the front part of the lawn, then we've got a back section as well around the side here. So we've got, this is a Verti-mower groomer in front of us. Then we've got, that's a Verti-mower scarifier. This one's the Verti-mower groomer. And then we've got the cylinder mowers, edges, normal mowers. And which will take it down a little bit around the edges. So along these little bits around here around the edges. So we'll take it down a little bit around the edges, and then we will, not much. It's quite soft. The ground is quite good. Not too soft. Back section's pretty good. This is only a little piece here today. And then we've got a big little bit here today, and then we've got a larger bit around the back. So Kieran's going to tip up the groomers so we can have a look at it. The scarifier.
People have seen this.
See underneath it, there we go. That's what the underneath the scarifier looks like. And we've got all the lots of little teeth here in the groomer, which runs along the top and picks it up. Yep, so we'll start off the job. So today we're Verti-mowing and also top dressing the lawn as well. Quite a bit involved. Should come up very nice in the next. It'll be top dressed, and then it'll couple of weeks time it'll look really nice and green. Right. Have a coffee to start the day. Provided by our customer, very nice indeed. Thank you. deep we've got. Some of the, so what this is doing is cutting deep into the grass, taking up most of the thatch. What it's doing is cutting deep into the grass and taking off most of the thatch, as you can see. And then we're going this will So this is very dusty, this part of it. Oops. Very dusty bit, generally in the process. And this is where we pick all the grass up and we put it into the catcher. And it also thins out the top of the lawn. It is a Verti-mow groomer, and it grooms the lawn now. You can see it working. So this is fingered out quite gently, and a lot of the grass off the top. Okay, so now we've got the top dressing on. You can see them quite nice. There, the big fella. Hey, off you go.
Oh, wait,
Looks like we've got a visitor.
Wait. Come on.
Look out, big fella.
Here.
Got a visitor coming to see us. Spread some mulch on. Put us all. Put a bit on. There we go. Nicely. Oh, that's all. Right.
Phones like.
Here we go. So that's the front yard we've done. More soil and such on. Pretty good, come up pretty well. It was a long job. Had trouble getting the soil because everybody today seems to be wanting to use the trailers for getting their soil. Anyhow, we've got everything loaded up in the trailer. All on board here. You can see she's all loaded up, the little girl. Piles of stuff in there. All the mowers, everything. All on the front of here. Quite a lot of equipment. Everything in there. Already taken the bags of the grass clippings back, and Kieran did most of the work. I just was the courier driving everything around. So there we go. That's it, all loaded up. Thank you. Let's have a good day.